to get out of breath. Hi ladies, it's Emily and welcome to my kitchen! If you are like most people, you just recently started a New Year's resolution to eat healthier, haven't we all? I hope this will give you some ideas for some breakfast recipes for you if you're getting bored or tired with the same old things. So without any further ado, recipe number 1. I'm going to be showing you my favorite oatmeal recipe as of right now, and I'm going to be using these 100% whole grain quick oats. You just add a cup of water. We're going to wait for the water to start boiling. I love oatmeal. I love eating oatmeal in the mornings. So if you have a really good oatmeal recipe, please comment down below and tell me what it is, because I'd like to try it, because I'm always looking out for new oatmeal recipes. Okay, now that the water is boiling, I'm going to add half a cup of oats and cook this for about a minute. Next, I'm going to add some Nutella. I'm going to stir that in, and as you stir it in, it's going to melt. Next, I cut up some strawberries already, and I'm going to add those.
Please, please.
And I'm going to add some chia seeds. And there you go. That's my favorite oatmeal right now. Recipe number 2. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite smoothie bowl recipe. So I'm going to get all my ingredients here together so we can get started. Small banana, raspberries, almond milk, mango chunks frozen, chia seeds, some sliced almonds, some coconut flakes, kiwi, and Greek vanilla yogurt. So I'm going to start out with the mango chunks. And I don't measure anything, so I don't even know how much of everything is going to go in here. But that looks good to me. Next, I'm going to add my Greek yogurt. You don't need too much yogurt because it'll get too thick. I'm going to cut up about half of this banana. Actually, this is a small banana. I might add the whole thing. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of almond milk. And we're going to blend this. Next, I'm going to cut this kiwi up. Rosie's in the kitchen with me. The fun part about smoothie bowls is making them nice and pretty. We're gonna add our smoothie to the bowl. Then we're gonna make it all pretty. So I'm gonna add the kiwi. Okay, then we're gonna add the raspberries on top. Next, I'm gonna do the almonds. So we add these all pretty. Then we're gonna add the coconut. This is my favorite part, is the coconut. I think it makes it taste so good. Rosie wants to be a zombie, as you can tell. And finally, the chia seeds. See if I can do this, like, how do you put chia seeds in a neat line? Oh, I don't know if I can do it very good. And we're done. And this is what my smoothie bowl looks like all finished. And these are super yummy. And if you haven't tried a smoothie bowl, you need to try them. This is my favorite recipe. I love the mangoes with the raspberries and definitely the coconut. So go try this out. And if you need more smoothie bowl recipe ideas, go check out Pinterest. Recipe number 3. This is the final healthy breakfast that I wanted to show you, and it's very simple and easy, and this is probably the quickest of all of them. So I'm going to use Greek vanilla yogurt, then I'm gonna add fruit. Whenever I do this, I like to use blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. I don't have any blueberries because the blueberries were expensive, so I didn't buy any blueberries. But normally I would put blueberries in this. So I just add lots of berries in here. Then I'm going to use a granola, and I like this Bare Naked granola. It's toasted coconut almond. In my other recipe, you've seen that I like almond and I like coconut. This Bare Naked granola, they do have several other kinds of granola if you don't like coconut or you don't like almonds. But I just love this kind. And you just sprinkle a little bit of granola on top of this. And that is it. So I hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because I upload new videos every week. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite breakfast recipe is because I'm always looking for new ideas. Have a good day. Bye, ladies.